Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to recover online banking account password of GateCity.Bank. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC as I am using a Microsoft Edge for this. Now go in for new tab and search in for a GateCity.Bank and press enter. You will be directed to the official webpage of GateCity.Bank. Here you can see the login form page at the right side. There you need to provide your user ID and password, then click on login where you will get directly logged into your online banking account of GateCity.Bank. As we are going to recover our password and user ID, you need to click on the link given below, that is forgot user ID. Here to recover your user ID, first of all you need to provide the following details, that is your first name, last name, then you go in for providing your registered email address, then you go in for providing your social security number, then you go in for selecting your account type by clicking on drop down menu, then you go in for providing your account number. After you provide all the details, you need to click on submit where you will be redirected to another page. There you need to follow the further instruction that has been provided. Then you will be able to recover your user ID. Similarly, in the password, you go back. Here you need to click on the forget password. Now here to recover password, you need to provide the following details, that is your user ID. Then you go in for providing your first name, then last name. After you provide all the details, you need to click on submit where you will be redirected to another page. There you need to follow the further instruction that has been provided where you will be able to reset your password. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how to recover online banking account passwords of GateCity.Bank. Thank you.